Welcome to the live session. So I'm here today trading Dow Jones or US 30 gold using high probability blend of support, resistance, EMA rejection. So if you want to see simply analytical, if you want to see technical analytic, or you want to see some trading psychology, you are at the right place. Like, subscribe, share, and tell me in the comments what you trade. Okay, so good morning, good morning. The market is open. Let me see news today. Any news? 10:30, but it's not very high interest. Crude oil. And today at 9 o'clock, US President Trump's speech. Ooh. What does he have to say? We'll see. Hello, Algo. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Okay. I guess let me start sharing. Let me see how it looks on the screen. I am good. Good. Okay, it looks good. Okay. Are you trading, Algo? You took any trade today? Let me put me the music in and and let's go. Hello, Night Wolf. I'm waiting. You are gold, right? Yeah. You are into gold. Okay, so let me show you what I see on US 30. This is 1 hour chart. Okay, I have a bunch of things here. Let's delete it. Okay, so this is 1 hour. You can see the price touch this area of resistance. A lot of wicks here. So I'm expecting to go back down if the buyers are not strong enough to break it. If it breaks it, it's a great thing. Bambolela, bambolela. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting right now. On 1 minute, a sign to go short. Bambolelo. Bambolela. Bamboleo, bambolela. Porque mi vida siempre aprende a vivir así. Okay, let me see gold. What is gold doing, Algo? Gold. Okay, so I have this area marked here. Let me see, 1 hour. Okay, so it's this area right here. So what are you waiting for? Where do you think the gold is gonna move? Man, Kara was right yesterday. Break this and look, it went nice up. Call it. Hello, Bharat. Hello, hello. I'm waiting to see if reach 4,800. Okay. So you want to go a little bit more up. And then, let's see how react there at 48. Okay, so it's this right here. That's what you're waiting for. Bamboleo, bambolela. What time frame do you? What time frame do you trade? 1 hour? Bharat, you are new? Bambolela. Porque mi vida yo aprendo a vivir así. Let me see, let me go on 1 minute. Yeah, it's consolidating on 1 minute. Gold. Now you have multiple screens and multiple times frames and just only one instrument, gold. You execute on 5 minutes, okay. I have a feeling it's gonna go up, but let's see. You are Forex or futures? Algo. I have a feeling that the market today is not gonna move too much just because of Trump speaking today. I don't know what he's gonna speak. I'm curious. What he's supposed to speak? Forex, okay. Wow, so you have, I imagine your setup. Your setup, it's crazy. Airplane board control. Anybody in the chat, if they want me to look, if you guys want me to look at something, let me know. Because right now, we're just waiting and waiting. Nu știu de tine, de 7 zile fără iubire. Și tot aștept să-mi treacă, dar m-am mă leacă. De 7 zile, parcă au fost o viață. De 7 zile, nu știu de tine. I do have the US 30 right here. I'm looking at it, so gold. And guys, tell me, I mean, not so many people in my live stream. What do you see in US 30? I'm waiting to get down. I mean, I don't know, but it's such a level, it's such this level. So I'm waiting. Right now it's consolidating. So I'm waiting for a retest below the EMA or something to go down. I'm waiting for a sign to go down, or if it breaks this area it's at 1 hour area. If it breaks it, I want a retest of this area from above. When the EMA starts getting like this flat, I don't like it. We'll see. I'm waiting. But yeah, it moves sideways, both gold and US 30. Recita Makara. Fito Maka. Tu felicita Maka. Oh God. Oh. Let me go on gold and see. I think I'm gonna take a trade in gold if it breaks this. I think we'll see. Let me see. Hai zi că ți-e dor de mine azi. US stocks rising for second day on hopes of Iran conflict resolution. So I think people are hoping that we came to a resolution. America, not we, me. So tonight when Trump is talking, they hoping they is coming with good news. You took a small buy? Good. Good, good. I'm waiting for a buy too. I want to cross this and go for a buy. Și-am numărat câte nopți. I think a buy, yeah. Yeah. Deodată cineva, dar nu ești tu și mi-a spus inima să nu. I'm curious if I put music on here, the YouTube is gonna just ban me. Okay. I'll take something like this. Something I think like this is gonna be. Okay, come back to the EMA, give it a nice retest and go up. Let's see if he's listening. Excuse me guys, my voice, but fără niciun interes mi-am pus toată iubirea într-un noi. Întreaga viață fără niciun interes. Mi-am pus toată iubirea într-un noi. Anybody else trading gold, guys? Ooh. It's so crazy, like it's moving kind of exactly with US 30. I'm watching it very, very similar. Mi-am pus toată iubirea într-un nou. If we get into no trading area, let me see, what was this area again? Did I mark here? Okay, I can make it a little smaller. Here we go. But I want to reject nice, you know. If it rejects this area, we're gonna go up, more up. If not, they probably want to come back to the EMA. This is 1 hour. Or to this area and reject this area. I don't know. Nice push. Down. Nice push down. But you say you took a long? Yeah, you took a buy. When the devil stopped in my door. Whoa, how many times did I tell you? Long on euro. It was pushing up at first. Yeah. Long, how are you, Marianne? I'm good, Marianne. I'm good. How you doing? Let's look at the euro, cause euro W pattern here. Punk. Everybody kind of have this area here. Let me see, 5 minutes. 5 minutos. It's still long. Yep. Let me go on 1 hour to draw this area better. There we go, this week. I don't know, Marianne, what do you think? Long? You are in a long, Marianne? I'm rolling apart right in front of you, can't you see? When you're not next to me. Just scalping. Yes, okay. I see a long, like on a 1 minute, I see a W, I see a rejection of the EMA. The EMA is kind of flat. I don't like when that happens. Let's see, what is your stop loss? Todos días long. Every day long, okay. You watch telenovelas too, Marianne. 116. Oh, okay. Ho ho. You have space to breathe. That's good. Yeah, it's a good one. 1-6. Maria Mercedes embarazada. Oh, God. Tipo che la sente in monitore. Minima stai, minima stai, non c'entra. Okay, let's hope this trade is gonna let me know. I'm looking for a long in gold, and I'm waiting for the US 30, not sure on US 30 yet. If I had to take a trade in Euro USD, I will not take it. I mean, I don't really trade the Euro USD, so I don't know how it moves, but you know, it is it does react nice around the EMA. So right here, look. So your stop loss is valid, and that's all I can say. Deixa eu tanto. Inima stai, inima, EMA Strategies. Oh, it's reacting again. Let's see Bitcoin. What is dear Bitcoin doing? We didn't look at him for long. Everybody's consolidating for whatever. Where is 1 hour? Oh, here we go. No. Do you guys think Bitcoin is gonna get back to the 100,000s in the next few years? Hmm? What do you guys think? More than 100,000. So that's the time to invest in Bitcoin. Let me see, 4 hours. Do you think this was the bottom? 60,000 or what it was here? Bitcoin in 2 years? Where do you think it's gonna go? In 2, 3, 4 years? In a few years. It's gonna go back up? Nu sunt prava ta. Să rup mai mereu. Noi stu am o inimă, nu am 10. Bate, bate. I wanna see what can be the bottom. If it's a chance to go back to 40,000. I really don't know. I'm not familiar with crypto like that. Me either. I'm not either. But I remember Bitcoin because I was in high school. And I remember a friend was telling me about Bitcoin. It's like, oh, it's a currency online. It was, what, 2000? After having Bitcoin rocket to 250 years. So if I was a little more bright in high school, at least one Bitcoin, it was so cheap, but we were just talking as kids, you know? Like, but I remember clearly. I barely knew what the internet is in high school to buy Bitcoin. But yeah, if I was a little more bright or see future, you know, be able to, how you call that? I don't know, Marianne, 250,000, man. I don't know. But you know, we will say the same, oh, 100,000, no. So, who knows? Okay, we're getting ready for the short. Let me break this. This is US 30. Okay, guys, tell me in the chat, what do you trade? You are gonna short if it breaks for 63. Yeah, that's what I want, yeah. Oh, the gold is going up. Gold, I want to go on a long if it breaks this. Here, the white line. And take profit. Take profit at 800, yeah. We'll see, yeah. Gold is sideways on 1 minute. Yep. Yep. Gânduși secrete când apare noaptea. I never watch 1 minute. I watch 1 minute. This is 1 minute. I draw my support, resistance and areas on 1 hour, 5 minutes, and depending how it reacts on 1 minute, below or above EMA, nice rejection of EMA or the area, that's when I go in. But yeah, I really think today is gonna consolidate for world markets rocket higher on optimism. Optimism. Till today, Trump is gonna attack, and he said, we're gonna bomb them. That's it. Anybody else in a trade, guys? Oh. Ugh. I put the thing on my eye. It doesn't hurt me, but it's still, you don't see it, but it's still swallow. Bine, bine, bine e tău, dar ce-i bine pentru tine, pentru mine e rău. Mai bine ar fi să fi fost tu, postul mai bine nostru, și cu lângă altcineva, mai bine ar fi să fi. I will do karaoke here instead of trading. I think I'll be better off. Yes. I put a tea bag too. And I have like a thing that you put it inside the microwave with some bubbles in, and also heat that up and put it on. That's special for eyes. No, I heard you struggling face in your... What struggle? I'm not struggle, I just have a style. Here we go. We're going in. Yeah, let's go. I'm in. Probably too early. But we need to do a move. E bine, binele tău, dar ce-i bine pentru tine, pentru mine e rău. Mai bine ar fi să fi fost tu, postul mai binele nostru, sigur altcineva. Mai bine ar fi să fi fost tu, postul. I heard your struggle. You heard my struggling phase in my yesterday podcast. You know what's funny? Oh yeah, you was struggling with the trading, yeah. At the moment, you feel like the world is over, but now looking back, it's like it was what it was. It's not. I don't know how to say it. Like it wasn't. It was bad, but it wasn't like something to break me, you know? But at the moment, yeah. Okay, Algo, let's go up. Let me put the stop losses. I always forget to put it because I'm using TradingView. It's automatically, when I use this, automatically it's added. So, oh, just 200. Probably I'm gonna go one more in. I'm gonna go one more in just because I went very small position. See, cool. Okay, let's go. We got this. Yep. Marianne, how is your euro? Ja, eu știu că gura ta n-ar putea zâmbi în scris. Without another income source market, make you maniac and panic. Have you ever relied on trade? No, I never. I think that's something that keep me in I never rely on trading only. And that's nice, I guess, that you don't. I mean, it's gonna come a point where yes, you can live just from trading, but yeah, it's very stressful. You need to be mentally prepared. For me, it was more about I have to make it, I have to make it, I can't accept it, I have to make it. Like, come on. It wasn't about, oh, I'm gonna be broke or money problem. I guess I was lucky in that sense, you know. Pentru zâmbetul meu și atât. Here we go, we're going, guys. Beautiful, huh? I guess you see 20, this is, yeah, you can see. And everything is crazy those days, Marianne. Everything is crazy. Like if we usually go for 1 to 2, it doesn't move like that anymore. Știi că eu sunt mor de dor, că eu mi-ar pe interior, mamma mia. Mamma mia, mor de dor, că eu ar pe interior, mamma mia. Another 24 passing to evaluate. What another? You still $5 to pass the stage 2? Mamma mia. I used to have 100 pip stop loss. Now I have to use 250, and everyone in my trade group is freaking out. Yeah, because those wicks and those candles coming out of nowhere, they just take you out. And you after that the market it happened many. You got this, Marianne. Just focus and like wait for what's the count size? Like take just A plus trades right now, like A plus plus, you know. You need one trade and give yourself, don't stress yourself, oh I have to do it today, tomorrow. Give yourself a week, you know, just A plus trades. I am tired. Oh, Marianne, you need a session with me, 5K. You need a you can have a session with me, Marianne. Now you look, the euro is going up. It's going. I did look at 1 hour, I told you before. Dacă ai fi pentru o zi, să vezi ce spun ochii mei. What are you not just trade, Marianne. What are you do for living? Who is with us in a trade? Yeah, at this point we can move the stop loss just below the entry. I don't know what that means. Many weeks, yeah. Oh, we talked too early. Algo is going down. No, it's gonna retest this high, and then it's gonna go back up. You close half of your position, okay. Yeah, but you also enter like at here, 47 you said. So you enter way earlier than me. You kind of enter here. K is yet 42, yeah. To chase the sweet, oh, I taste the pain. Yeah, way earlier than me. I had to wait for the break. Without another source of income, it will be very hard to trade because our living cost will affect. Yeah, 100%. 100%. That is a thing. Um, um, 9 to 5 has to found your 5 to 9 so you can leave your 9 to 5. But yeah. See what definitely it affects if that's your only source of income. Even when you think like you're profitable for a year, two, you still have to have another source of income because the pressure is still gonna be there. One moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are hard to beat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with eternity. Maxi sleeping like a baby. Sorry, Maxi. No, I don't have that business anymore that I have in COVID. That business that I had in COVID. That business that I have in COVID found my how you call it my fee for for learning trading. You know what I mean? So that was the funds the how you call the university fee? How you call it? Tuition fee. That's what happened with that the business, the income that business generated, and it generated good income. I mean, everybody knows during COVID, masks and hand sanitizer were, because that's what I was selling during COVID. my tuition fee. Te iubeam eu și am încercat și eu la fel să joc și eu. Și dacă fac pe vinovat, tu rămâi tu vinovat. Dacă ai plecat și gata și m-ai lăsat. Mă simt încotizat de un rutin plecat și nu mai pot să fac. I like this. I like what I see now. Mă întreabă dacă sunt ok. Am în minte numai ok și să met un gând că te-a fost de până și tu să mă lași plângând. Și mă întreabă dacă sunt ok. Am în minte numai ok și să met un gând. Ok, let me move my stop losses. Come on, where is it? Let me move it, man, manually. Okay, here we go. A little below EMA, in case a wig wants to kick me out. Cât a fost de bună de putut să... From Romania to it says, how do you manage your confidence level to run business in USA? Or USA gives opportunities to outsiders. Oh yeah. The confidence. I like your confidence level. Everybody's telling me that I look confident or I am confident, but I said that I am not a confident person. Like, I'm a very introvert, I'm very shy. Like, if you see me, you'll not see, oh, look at this confident person. Probably it's just a mask that I put, I don't know, because I don't feel confident. But how do you manage? I guess my personality is just focusing on, like, I like to be very straightforward to it. So, for example, I wanted to run a business. Okay, I have to do A, B, C, D. So I'm doing A, B, C, D. You know? Very calculated in that way. I'm not thinking, oh, I'm in US or I'm a Romanian or I just have to do A, B, C, D. And I just do it. But yeah, USA gives opportunities to outsiders 100%. I don't know if it's any American in here. But US is not what you see on TV, guys. It's definitely not. What you see on TV is just a small part of the USA. Like, the big cities are the life that you see in on TV is just the big cities like New York, Miami, I don't know, LA, but 80% of US is not that. So how can I say it? Because I don't want to say it. I think the majority of American people, like, they are not very bright. if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like the society here, the system here, if you don't have money, you can have a very good education, you can have a lot of things. So a lot of Americans, they don't have that. So coming from outside with a good education, with a good mindset, you can achieve way more than majority of American people can. I said before, first I came somewhere in New Jersey. It was a very small city. And those people in that small city, they live like 1 hour away from New York. And a lot of those people, they didn't even visit New York one time. I was like, why? Like, and they will just stay there in that little city and work little jobs, and they will be okay, and working just in the summer because in the winter will be dead. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. But yes, America is not what you see on TV. And if you are a good mindset and you have a plan, there are opportunities. Just because majority of they don't chase opportunities. Without you, I keep creeping in a bad dreams. And it's so hard. Like I told you, I was a bar and restaurant manager in Miami Beach. Of course, I start from low, from waitress, bartender, and I become the manager. But it's so hard to find American people that have a work ethic. That's why I even got to that position, because it's very hard to find good employees. It doesn't matter what category. Americans, it's so hard. Like in Romania, it doesn't matter. You sick, you not sick, you how you feel, you go to work. If you don't. Here in America, oh, I just didn't wake up. What does that mean? You didn't wake up to come to work? Like that's their mentality. So if you have a nicer mentality, you're gonna achieve more. But again, I'm not saying that everybody is like that. No. When I see a big red candle, it's annoying me. Come on. You see those type of wigs I mean. They just take you out for no reason. Hello, Jay. Good morning. How are you? I just saw your message. Si todavía me ama como antes, nada me parece interesante. Yo sé que en el amor soy un farsante. If I want to live here for the rest of my life, I want to have the house that I have here for the rest of my life, because if I have kids, I want them to have opportunities, but I am thinking to move in another country. I don't know if it's gonna be Romania or it's gonna be another country, but yeah. Something where the life is a little bit more simple, I would like to go. I like the islands. I like island life. I would like to move somewhere on an island. ¿Qué pensar? Le pido a Dios, no voy a perdonar. Okay, what are we doing here? Is reversing? What is it doing? Is it any reason here to give me a reaction like that? Mm-mm. Not really. Island. Really? I never been that side of the world though to see. I never been. I was thinking Bahamas though. I think it's gonna be Bahamas. Mm. Because I still need to be close to US, because this is where I have my things, you know. But far as the way people live. Come on. Maybe you want to give a retest of the EMA? Tú hubieras sido, aunque te hubiera conocido, seguramente que ni fuimos amigos. Aunque te hubiera conocido, seguramente que como amigo, seguramente. Are we gonna have full TP on this one, guys? How can you say you are shy? Natural person. But I'm alone in the room. I mean, I'm live, but I don't feel like, you know. Okay, I'm not shy in a way, like, I'm an introvert. Like, if I met you, you're not gonna see me, the person in a room that's, I don't know, introvert. But if I feel like dancing, I'm dancing. That doesn't have nothing to do with being introvert. I just want a big green candle, hit my TP, and that's it. I'm gonna stay 10 more minutes and I'm going. You think in the next 10 minutes it's gonna touch TP? Full TP? Algo, you still in, right? You just move your stop loss to break even. US 30 is it's dead now. I'm looking at it. It didn't go down, but look, it's just dead around here. And when it's in an area of no trade. This is an area, no trades. But look, I have a feeling it's just going to break here the EMA and go down. If it breaks the EMA here below the no trading area, I'll go on a short till this area. But good idea to trail. I'll see in 7 minutes when I go. I think I'll just break even. So yeah, that's for the US 30. I don't think I'm gonna take it today, just because I have to go. I have an appointment that I have to be, so I will not be in front of the computer, but take partials or trail. Okay, we'll see. I'll see you in the next 10 minutes. I don't know. I don't feel for trailing in this market because it's just gonna take me out one move and then it's just gonna, you know. Right now I think I am going to move it break even. Yeah. But that break even is, I don't know. Pot să aud nimic și n-aud nu că nu vreau. Aș putea să aud oricând. Să nu te simt. Stai. Zeta Deco, please. Can you tell us how to no plank, mia sposa, prendete, mama, please. Okay, my friends. We'll see what this happen. What it will happen with this trade. As right now we are in profit. Nice little profit, but let's see. I think US 30 wanna cross the EMA 50. I probably will take a short there. I'll see if I have time on my cash. I'll see. Images, they were good. US manufacturers see best month in 2.5, but Iran war. So US manufacturers sees best month in 2.5 years, but Iran war threatens to derail the progress. ISM survey hits highest level since 2022, but prices are rising and employment is shrinking. Auto workers assemble new trucks. American manufacturers are growing again, but executives aren't especially optimistic. Okay, my friends, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll just leave this trade go. I'm at the break even right now, so we'll see. Also, I'm looking to short the US 30 if I see something and I have time. But that's it for today. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you mañana. Bye bye.